Hey everybody, it's Tamika with Scrap the World, and I'm here to show you the tags for Group 3 in my tag swap, which theme was Butterflies and Bling with an optional shape challenge. So the tags were due today, deadline due in my hands today, mailed out within the next week, but Group 3 is complete and I am mailing theirs out today. So good job guys, way to get those in good and fast. And I'm just going to quick in random order go over the group. I was in this group and you guys seen my tag that I did on this separate video, so let's get started. This is Asia's tag. She's a Cake Queen 38 and she has embossed it in the background, dry embossed it, and she has glitter and butterflies. This thing blings, guys. She has some bling ribbon up here at the top. I love this painted, this color, it's so pretty. And on the back she has swirly, another bling swirly, some more butterflies, some flowers, and then her information is here on the back of the tag, hung by a ribbon. So thank you so much, Asia, you did a fantabulous job. And sorry guys, hope I'm not rushing on your tags, but I'm doing this on my lunch break. So this tag is from Donna, and her information is here. She's Donna at Frog Mahal. If you can see that there. And she has personalized all of her tags. So this happens to be mine. Of course, my name is Tamika. But I'll start off from the front. She has dry embossed, and I love this swirly dry emboss. I love it. I have this, and it's awesome. She has a beautiful big butterfly here, and in the background, she has some like iridescent paper. It's just gorgeous. And oh sorry, there's some trim that's trying to trim away. She has some trim at the bottom and this beautiful lollipop flower here, gorgeous. And then she has a saying up here that says the caterpillar's gone, the butterfly is free. Awesome. She has some fibers at the top, very shiny bling fibers. And then also she has some butterfly charms, which are so pretty. Let me see if I can get them to act right here. There they are. Beautiful butterfly charms. This is so pretty. You did a great job. And you guys seen the back. She embossed it again. It's pretty purple color. Some accents holding in this this place where she has her information. And then of course she personalized everybody's tag. So great job, Donna. And then the next tag is from Ale. Her tag is beautiful as well. She has some ribbon. Jeez, I'm fumbling here. She has some ribbon at the bottom with some bling in a bow. Nice trim. Some more bling and flowers. This is pretty. This is she must have cut that out. It's gorgeous. And it's textured with glitter on it. It's really nice. She has a butterfly here with additional bling wings, gorgeous flowers. She has bling up here as well as a stick pin, a cameo stick pin, which is beautiful, with some tulle tucked behind this butterfly. Gorgeous little feather. And then the back, and then she has her information down at the bottom. Ale. So you guys visit her channel. She did a great job on this. And then the next one we have is, this is from Donna, 123 Card Maker. Gorgeous tag. She has, I don't know if she stamped this or this paper came like this, but it's beautiful. It's Dream. Has butterflies all around it, and I don't know if you can see the shimmer in the back. She must have sprayed it with some type of mist, glimmer mist, or moonshadow mist or something, but it's gorgeous. And her information's there with a butterfly. So the front is just as gorgeous. Beautiful lollipop flower here, right there. Gorgeous gold stick pin. There's the lace behind, backing her flower. Some gold pearls, a feather. Gorgeous. And she has personalized hers as well. This is her optional shape. Really nice. I don't know what that die is, but it's beautiful. It's really nice. And then she has embossed the paper on top of that die as well. with the little flower dry embossing, and then a butterfly bling, of course, butterfly that's blinging, of course, up here, and she has bling in the background here. I don't know if you see those little pearls. Ribbon gold trim here, big huge button, and this pulls like that. I like that idea. That's really nice. She did a fantabulous job again. This is her. She swapped with me before, and her tags are always beautiful, as was the other Donna and a couple of other ladies. But I always look forward to seeing these new ideas you guys come up with. It's awesome. So anyway, that's Donna's, and then last but not least is Elsa at Just a Few. I think she's at Just a Few Designs on her YouTube, and she did an excellent job. I saw her video, so if you guys want more detail, you can look at her video for that. But she has half a butterfly as her tag, optional tag shape. Gorgeous pearls, bling all around. Everything is shiny. She has beautiful flowers. This little butterfly is like sitting on top of a flower. Primas. It's a really gorgeous tag. You guys have to visit her YouTube. And again, she is Just a Few Designs. And look at the back. This paper. She must have Mod Podged it because it's really nice and shiny. You did a good job, girl. So thank you guys all for participating in the swap. And again, like I said, this is group 3. And look forward to videos from groups 1 and 2. Thanks, guys. Bye.